This is going to be a video product review of the OUTWIT digital alarm clock for bedrooms or living rooms or wherever you want to set it up. It is an LED multifunctional alarm clock. It has 2 alarms. It has a timer that will go from 1 to 59 minutes. It has a magnetic function, so there's a magnet here. You can use this, it comes with it. Place this on your refrigerator or wherever you want, and when you take the clock and press it against there, you can mount the clock anywhere. We have a little stand over here, so you can prop the alarm clock up. We have the setting buttons, the alarm button, the plus and minus, and the function button. This also has a 12 or 24-hour mode. It has a temperature setting so that you can watch the temperature in Fahrenheit or Celsius. It comes with a power cord so that you can plug it into the jack down here, or you can remove the back and put 3 AAA batteries in it. The clock has a countdown function, a low battery reminder, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to plug it in and show you what it looks like. If it is run by the power, the display will stay on, and if it is run by battery, it will stay on for about 40 seconds before it turns off. Let's plug this in now and set everything up. The clock does have 2 alarms, ring 1 and ring 2, depending on what you want to hear. And it is also voice activated, vibration activated, and touch activated. So here we go. Let's get everything set up. We have a smart sensor in the clock. So if the clock is on battery and after 40 seconds, if the display goes out, it will come back on if you touch the clock. If the clock detects vibration, like if you knock or tap on the nightstand, or if you use your voice. So we are set now in the 24-hour mode, and the clock is set to go off, the alarm is set to go off at 19:45. So I'm going to keep this on for another few seconds so we can hear what the alarm sounds like. Again, there are 2 different alarm sounds. I'm just going to let you hear one. And then after that, I will show you the Celsius and Fahrenheit display of the weather, the temperature. This is made by OUTWIT. Make sure you click on the Amazon affiliate link in the description of the video so that you can purchase your clock today. The clock will display in 2 modes. The first mode is time only. The second is it will display the time. Then it will show the month and date. We see the time over here. Now we are going to see the month and date, and then we are going to see the temperature, which again you can set with Celsius or Fahrenheit. We can hear the alarm going off in the background right now. This is the alarm clock in a very dark room. I have it set to the other mode now where it strictly displays the time. This is an incredibly easy clock to use. It is compact. It has the handle on the bottom so that you can stand it up on the table. It has a magnet on the back so you can mount this on the refrigerator or any magnetic piece of material. Purchase this from OUTWIT on Amazon.